FieldEdge doesn't show a single fixed price because the cost depends on business size, number of users, and which HVAC service management tools a company actually needs. By the end, you'll understand how FieldEdge pricing works, what actually drives the cost, and whether it makes sense for HVAC businesses compared to simpler software options. FieldEdge is an HVAC field service management platform used to handle scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, estimates, and customer management in one system. Instead of a flat monthly subscription, pricing is customized based on plan access and operational needs. Now explain plan structure. FieldEdge uses tiered plans where higher levels unlock more advanced tools for managing HVAC workflows and service operations. Lower tiers focus on core functions like scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing, while higher tiers support more advanced reporting, automation, and team management features. Now, explain what affects pricing. The biggest factor is feature access, since advanced tools are only included in higher tier plans designed for larger HVAC operations. The second factor is team size, because each additional technician or user increases the total subscription cost. Now explain what you are actually paying for. You are paying for an all-in-one HVAC business system that replaces separate tools like scheduling software, invoicing systems, customer tracking apps, and dispatch management tools. That matters because HVAC companies often compare FieldEdge to the combined cost of multiple subscriptions instead of one platform. Now explain who uses it. FieldEdge is mainly used by HVAC contractors and service companies that manage multiple technicians, recurring maintenance jobs, and emergency service calls. Now explain why pricing feels unclear. Pricing feels unclear because there is no single public price, and the total depends on how many tools and features a business activates inside the platform. Now explain common misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is expecting FieldEdge to have a fixed monthly cost, when in reality, it scales based on both features and team structure. Now, explain decision logic. The real way to evaluate FieldEdge pricing is to compare how many separate tools it replaces in your workflow instead of trying to find a single number online. Now explain limitation. A limitation is that smaller HVAC businesses may not fully use the advanced automation and reporting tools, which can make it feel expensive compared to simpler scheduling apps. Now simplify it. FieldEdge pricing is based on business complexity, not a one-size subscription that applies to every HVAC company. Here's the simple breakdown. Smaller HVAC companies usually only need scheduling and invoicing, while larger teams benefit more because they can manage dispatching, customer history, and workflows in one system. Do this next. List your current tools for scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customer management, then compare them to what FieldEdge replaces in one platform. If FieldEdge replaces multiple systems, the cost becomes easier to justify. If it only replaces one or two tools, a simpler HVAC software may be the better fit.